Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is episode, no it's not, this is another quick look video where we look at various art books and magazines and also comics. And today we are looking at this one. It's got the DVD inside of it, and it's issue number 24 of the ImagineFX magazine for December 2007. So little Felipe is going to help us with this one, and let's go and have a look at this one. So we're getting right to the end now. We've only got 2 issues left of the 2007 ImagineFX magazines, and what I always like to do is look at the covers, because one of my favourite things about these is the covers. This was the first one, issue 13, and I'll put links to all of these in the description. As you can see, it's been a year of female characters really. Yeah, every single issue has had a female on the cover, which that does make me happy because I like my female characters. But my favourite cover is still this one, issue number 15, and there's only 2 more chances for that cover to be sort of beaten, I suppose. And this one here, is it going to be the one that beats it? Issue number 24. Felipe, he's going to reveal it to us. Oh, this is looking interesting. Well, the first thing is, it's a male character. The second thing is, I'm loving this. There's some sort of like giant. They've like just killed a giant or something. What's interesting is the colour palettes are the same. So I obviously find these sort of colours quite pleasing. That's still my favourite though. It's just the look in her eyes or something. What I like about this is, look how many people there are. This one is very cool because it's got like a story behind it. And I also like that there's no text on the cover. So little Felipe is going to get us in. Dun dun dun. Cover artist. That's weird. They've made the cover artist. Ah, look. That was the actual cover. This one was the subscriber cover. Well, I feel like the subscribers got a better cover, but I do like that cover. I like that cover, but I really like this one. Because this one's got, like I said, a story. God, look how different she looked. Look how much she changed it. I feel like she looked more sexy in the first one. She looks a little bit like, what was she called? What was that girl called? Jordan. She's got a little bit like, looks a bit like Jordan. Hey, look, he ain't got no, he's obviously, that's a bit of a shame. He hasn't put himself anywhere. He normally photoshops himself on something. But this week, he'll be mostly doing nothing. That looks like my favourite one. Benita Wickler. That reminds me of Big Daddy from Bioshock. That's beautiful, that, isn't it? There's something about flying fishies that I love. Those traditional Japanese goldfish. When you see them flying around, there's something, I like that. Oh, I like this. FXPosé, look. That is beautiful. If that had been a cover, that would have been my favourite cover. That might actually even be one of the best FXPosés of the year. I love that. I like the colour palette. Oh, that's nice as well. See, they've both got like a friendship going on with the animals, like a little sidekick. And have you noticed how she's got like hair growing on her chin, almost as if she's turning into a bird? That's nice as well. Look, monsters, beauty. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, that is. This is a really good FXPosé. We've even got a little bit of anime type things in here. That little is that a big creature or a little person? That's the question. FXPosé online. Draw for movies and games. Some more fishies, look. The new bamboo. That's weird, isn't it? Unreal pressure. The manga Bible, look. I'm pretty sure that's the one I've got, I'm not sure. No, the one I've got is called the Action Bible, which is a graphic novel of the Bible. This is the artist Q&A. That's a nice shape. That looks like the things from Halo, the Banshees. I wonder if the Banshee was based off of an octopus. Art class. So that's what it looked like before and they turned it into that. Yeah, you can see little tiny things they've done, look. Oh yeah, I've seen this before. This was on one of the covers. This ends up being on one of the covers. Gothic Beauty. I love this one. How amazing is that? Oh, these are cool as well, look. Just in sweet. 4 polar bears. Oh, cool. Hey, they did the cover art. Just in sweet did the cover art then. Oh, I like the style of that. She's nice. That is, look at that. How cool is that? Hello, Choi. Oh, I like that. Shark. That's a cool. Three cool things in a row, look. Beautiful artist. Beautiful artist. Beautiful sketchbook. John Pavelec. Your bird. Look. I love looking at sketches. John Howe. I like that. Oh cool, I love that. ImagineFX legend. Even got little sketches here, look. Oh, they did the, that was the advert in the last issue. Here's the workshops. She's very beautiful. She reminds me of Star Wars. Reminds me of Star Wars. Hey look, they're doing different Painting perfect skin on different things, look. Porcelain, transparent, pale ginger, darker tones. That's quite cool. Painting new worlds. Cover the basics, traditional skills, look. Is that done with traditional? I can't believe that's done with traditional. That's done with traditional. That's mad. Top 10 art sins. Lens flare, mud, chalk, jaggies. I like these top 10s. That is cool, isn't it? Colour composition. Look at the relationship between these two, look. You can just tell that, well, I was going to say shit's about to go down. These things are all going to get slaughtered. That is cool. Visual storytelling. Look at the way he's like angling backwards, look. Put yourself in a box. Here's the DVD. Workshop files. And this is what's coming up next week. Looks like we've got sort of, well, to me it looks a bit like sort of the end of the world, apocalypse or something. Movie special it is. Here's the reviews. John Howe Fantasy Art Workshop. Oh look, they got little things here. Imaginative illustration. See, I'd like to get those. Spider-Man 3. The Invincible Iron Man. Bleach. Predator, look. And we finish with My First Paintings by Henning Ludvigsen. Oh, this is another article I'd like to see more of. Wouldn't it be fun to see my first paintings of some of your favourite artists? Because it would inspire you as well. What would probably happen is you would see in their early work things that are still in their like professional work, but also I feel like it would inspire you because you'd be thinking that's almost like what I'm doing. So you think, well, if I keep doing what I'm doing, I might end up as good as them. Which would be nice. That was a cool issue, that one. I love the way that feels like vintage. You can almost feel the paper being that sort of sketchbook paper from that. I just realised something. Look, that's cracked, so he's about to fall off, isn't he? Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 24 of the ImagineFX magazine for the year 2007, and there's only one left now, which will be next week's. And judging from the back cover, it's going to be a beautiful one. It is going to be a beautiful one, look, because it's got no text on the cover. Ooh. I hope you enjoyed this one though, and I shall see you later for another one.